Assalamu alaikum. Today in the Wazwan series, I'm going to show you how to make tomato chutney or Ruwangen Chetin. This video has been made with the help of Kashmiri chefs or Wazas. So let's get started. They start with boiling tomatoes that I have missed to show in the video and peeling them off. As you can see in this video, the boiled tomatoes have been peeled off. After that, they put it on the flame and start squishing it, as you can see in the video. And tomatoes have started to release their water and they start adding some whole spices that include 3 to 4 black cardamoms, 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks, 4 to 5 green cardamoms, salt, almost 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and some chili powder. And they keep stirring it and squishing it continuously. So here you can see the water released from tomatoes has started to absorb and tomatoes have also become soft. It takes a good amount of time for tomatoes to absorb all the water, and once you can see all the water released has been absorbed, they add oil on top. Here you can see it's hot oil. They have added a big ladle of oil to it. Here you can see in this video. And they keep stirring it. So here you can see the stirring hasn't stopped. Now at this stage, they will add a ladle of water or mutton stock followed by fennel seed powder and dry ginger powder. Here you can see. They will give it a good stir, as you can see in this video clip. Then they will add some ghee over it. So it's almost ready. So they add ghee towards the end. Then they are going to add some green chilies to it. So they have added green chilies towards the end when almost Ruwangen Chetin is ready. So according to them, otherwise it burns, so we should add it towards the end. So all the water is almost absorbed and it's ready. So here our tempting Ruwangen Chetin or tomato chutney is ready. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.